voice, there was a melody that came from the depths of me.
After facing delays, Huawei's foldable Mate X phone is finally ready to go on sale. The bad news for anyone eager to be among its early adopters is that it won't be available outside of China. At least, for now. The Mate X is a 5G phone with Huawei's Kirin 980 processor and Baron 5000 modem, and it has a dual-cell 4500 mAh battery that can reportedly be filled to 85% in half an hour with 55-watt fast charging. When unfolded, the screen is 8 inches diagonal, and when it's closed it's like having a phone with a 6.6-inch screen on the front and a 6.38-inch panel on the back. Unlike Samsung's Galaxy Fold, which opens up like a book, the Mate X's screen wraps around the outside of the clamshell device. This should make it more usable as a conventional phone than the Galaxy Fold, but the plastic-covered screen faces an even greater durability challenge since it's constantly exposed. The company announced the launch on Wednesday on Weibo and at an event in Shenzhen, where it also announced it had shipped 200 million phones so far this year. We'll have to see how the Mate X holds up, because it is not a cheap device. It'll start shipping in China on November 15th for 16,999 yuan, or about $2,400, which gets you a model with 8 GB of RAM and 512 GB of storage. Huawei also announced that it's shipped 200 million smartphones already in 2019, having reached that milestone 64 days earlier than it did last year. The real proof of the company's resilience, however, will come once we have year-on-year results that factor in Google-less phones like the Mate 30 Pro. So that's it. Let's wait for it to be released.